How to download and install Robinhood application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Play Store on your device. Now, click on the search icon which is at the bottom of your screen and tap on the search bar. In the search bar, type in Robinhood and click on search. After that, you will see a icon like this. Here, click on install button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, installation will be started automatically. After the installation is completed, tap on open button to use the application. You can also find the icon of this application on your home screen. So that is how you can install Robinhood application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.